So let's talk about our Bergamot and Basil collection. So I'm going to start with the Instant Boost Skin Tonic and then do some hints and tips with the body cream and the hand cream too. So this is all about a drink of water for the skin whilst enjoying the amazing fragrance. So the best way to do it is pop it on a cotton pad like that and then just take a minute to take a nice deep breath in. So breathe in the bergamot and basil. This for me is like a beautiful warm summer's day, and in March that's sort of the exact really positive scent that you need. You've got the really soft but beautiful warm citrus notes in the top, and then the really fresh again but sunny basil in there as well. So giving it a sweep over the skin after you've cleansed is brilliant to prep the skin for its moisturiser, but it's a really nice addition to scent for your cleanse and moisturize routine. Next up, we've got the body cream. Now this is all about translating the bergamot and basil from top to toe, and there's some little things that you can do with your body cream to make it work even more effectively for you too. So when you just get out of the bath or the shower, you want to dab your skin dry, not till it's sort of really dry, just so you've got a little bit of moisture left on the skin. Then you want to warm this in your hands, and your application is really key with this. It's a really good mood boost, but it's great for the skin too. So warming in the hands, and you want to be doing some really lovely sort of big circular sweeping movements working towards the heart. So you can sort of do wrist up to elbow and then really coming up across the chest as well. But a really key tip is actually really working on the legs. So if you're finding that you're sitting down a little bit more, especially sort of working from home, then really just working up the legs. So really some nice pressure working from the ankle all the way up to the knee and then up the thigh as well. And a really good tip is actually really focusing on those areas that we're hopefully going to be getting out soon. So as we venture into like shorts and t-shirt, you really want to be focusing the cream on the elbows and then heels and then on the knees as well. So you can just spend a little bit more time really keeping those really nice and hydrated. And last but not least is our hand cream. Now, this is sort of the product that you want to be applying regularly, but actually the hints and tips that go with it can really make a difference. So yes, you're going to be hydrating your hands, but it's really nice to be able to do a little bit of a tension release massage as well. So just warm the hand cream really thoroughly in. Again, you can just take a nice deep breath. Just nice to take a little bit of time out, but then what you can do is just work around the palm here. So do some really nice, I'm using quite a firm pressure here, just coming around the thumb, just around here too. Really just helps if you're finding that you're at the laptop or your phone a little bit more at the moment. And then again, you can just sort of do some really nice pressures coming down the finger. So really just focusing around the nail and the cuticle, which is where we tend to get a little bit drier as well. Sometimes it's really simple, just the act of applying your hand cream, but spending a little bit more time can really just make a little bit of a boost to your skin and to your mood too. So just really working really thoroughly to massage the cream in, and you can just do that on both hands, which is a really lovely way to enjoy the scent and improve your skin too.